Hello, hello, my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Happy Friday. Today is Duck Duck Dishcloth Day, and I am doing this collaboration with about 19 other content creators. Um, and we are doing Duck Duck Dishcloth. Missy from Missy's Yarniverse and More has started this, and all that information will be in the description box if you want to go check out her channel and see what we're doing with Duck Duck Dishcloth. Yesterday, she put out her video that told which dishcloth we're doing for next week. And if you haven't watched those, go look at her other video too that yesterday, the Duck Duck Dishcloth Parade. She does everyone sends in pictures of the dishcloth for that week, and she puts together a slideshow of everybody's dishcloth. So go check them out because they're beautiful. So what she does is, I am so sorry, I got an itch in my eye that will not stop. What Missy does is she has a box that is decorated like a duck pond with little duckies on it. She has little rubber duckies in the box, and she pulls them out one at a time, duck, 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 and she'll say dishcloth, and whatever number's on the bottom of that ducky, that's the next dishcloth we do. So, and we have 31 dishcloths in the book. This is the book we're using, the Little Encyclopedia of Dishcloths, and there's 31 in here, but she has also thrown in some extra duckies, and those are Release the Quackin'. And if she pulls one of those out, then she gets another duck, bigger duck, and inside that duck is a pattern from another company that's other than in this book, and we do the Quackin' dishcloth. So we've done 2 of those so far. So this past week, the dishcloth that we worked on was called the Striped Lace Dishcloth. It's this one right here. And I've got to be honest, I had a little trouble keeping my lines straight when I did the stripes on the side. But you know what? It's okay. It's all right. I used the Premier Home Cotton for these. I believe was the cotton I used, and I had a yellow and gray variegated and a white. So this is my striped dishcloth, and you can see how wonky my stripes are. But you know what? I'm using it to wash the dishes, so I'm not going to worry myself over it. But this is the dishcloth. I think it turned out pretty, even though my lines aren't exactly straight. But I love it. Double crochets and chain spaces that make up the lacy part, and then you have the stripes. So very pretty. So that was that one. And the ducks chose again for this next week, and the dishcloth that they chose was diagonal ridges, and this is it right here. So in the comments below, what color would you make this dishcloth? Let me know what color. And I'm not sure. I haven't decided what color I'm going to make mine in yet, but this is a really neat one. It is an 8.5-inch square dishcloth. They recommend using a 4mm. I've been using a 4.5 for all these dishcloths, so I'm going to continue to use the 4.5 size. It's okay. It does not matter. It's a dishcloth. So it's a dishcloth, so it does not matter. And I hope that didn't. I just had a little bit of a glitch in my camera. I hope that's not happening in the video. We shall see. But anyway, it's made up of you're working on the diagonal, working in the back loops. And you're making increases, kind of like it's like corner to corner, but you're doing single crochets instead of making blocks. So that's going to be really fun. So yeah, I can't wait to make that. I may make that in multiple colors. Yeah. So this will be the one that I am working on this next week, and I will update you with next Friday on that one. And I am currently working on my I was going to show that today, but I'm not doing that today. I was going to give you an update on my birthstone blanket. I have started joining those some of the squares together. And I will give you an update on that blanket and tell you how I'm joining those on, I think I will do that on Monday. Yeah. So that is my update for Duck Duck Dishcloth. Make sure I will have a list of all the participants in the description box. So make sure you go check them out. And if you have not checked out their channels, go show them some Yarny love and check their channels out and subscribe. Um, and I will see what's happening and work on this one to show you next week. My girls and their family are all coming in this weekend for Mother's Day. Yay. I need my kiddos. I've had a rough week, dealing with everything. You guys know what we've been going through, and it's with with everything, the knee and everything else. It's just been a rough week. So I need my girls. I need my grandsons, and I can't wait for this weekend for them all to be here. So I'm going to go and get ready to see them. What does next week look like? Monday, update on the birthstone blanket. I'll show you how I'm joining all the squares we've done so far. I'll show you how I'm joining those. And let's see, Tuesday, I'm not sure what Tuesday will be. I don't have a plan for Tuesday yet. Wednesday, I will come on and show you the progress on the project I'm doing for Battle of the Stitches. This month, Heather and I are not doing the full-on videos like we had been doing in the past, but we will be starting that up in June. We will be getting back to the videos in June. So for this month, each Wednesday, I'm going to come on and show you the progress of what I'm making. I think this next Wednesday, I'll show you progress and let you guess on what you think I'm making with the stitch. And then I'll just do updates. And the last Wednesday of the month, I'll show you my finished project, and I'll be posting a picture of it on the Facebook page. So if you are making something with that stitch, please post your pictures on the Facebook Battle of the Stitches page. Next month, June, we will be going full on into our videos that we had been doing before in the past. And we need 2 content creators to join us in June. We are doing, June stitch is the fan lace. So let me know. Shoot me an email. My email address is in the description box. You can shoot me an email or comment below and let me know let me know if you want to join us for June. And so I'll get you all the information if you'd like to join us. And Thursday, since I finished Sophie's Universe, I need to have something for Thursday. So what I'm going to do is, yeah, I need to think about this because I thought about going back to Duck Duck Dishcloth on Thursdays, but Missy doesn't put hers out till Thursday, so I won't be able to show you the next one. And I kind of like to get my videos done ahead of time if I can. So I'll keep my Duck Duck Dishcloth on Friday with the next week's updates. So for Thursday, I need to come up with something for Thursday. Not sure what that is going to be yet, so you guys stay tuned. And as always, Tuesday nights, 8 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern, Tink Peel Live, me and Shannon at the Spoonie Stitcher. We're doing that every Tuesday night. We have already announced about our next film to fiber, and we will go live the last Friday in June to show you what we've made with our film to fiber. So stay tuned for that. So lots going on. I am so thankful that the good Lord has been with me through all of this, and I am able to get back into doing more videos with you guys because I have missed you. And it's therapeutic. It's helping me connecting with you is helping me to find some peace and comfort. and I need to get back into my routine. So I'm so thankful for all of you. Thank you for supporting Critters Crochet. And oh, yes, it just dawned on me. I do know what I'm going to do Tuesday. Tuesday's video, I am working really hard to get to 3,000 subscribers. So I have started a prize box. And so Tuesday's video, I will come on and I will share with you what is in the prize box so far. Because when we hit 3,000, then I am going to draw a name from the subscribers to get that box. Also on Monday, I am going to start doing a live with my members at 1 p.m. Central each Monday. So we're just going to sit and chat and crochet. So if you are a member, grab a project and something to drink, and we're just going to sit and chat for a little while on Monday, starting at 1 Central. So I hope you guys have an awesome weekend, and I will see you again on Monday. Love y'all. Bye.